everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I bought something new for you all guys. I hope you will like it. So let's see. If you want to know how to make this pencil holder, then it is already up on my channel and I'm giving the link in the description below. So here are the materials you'll need. First of all, cut out two clouds from cardboard. Cover one cardboard with colored sheets or chart paper. Now take strip of cardboard. Its width should be 10 cm and length depends upon your cloud size. Now just roll it as I am doing and stick it on the edges of the cloud. Now again take strips of colored paper and stick it on the edges. Before applying colored sheet, remember to stick printed fabric tape, or you can use any normal printed tape also. Cover inside of your cardboard with white sheet. Now take another piece of cardboard and again cover it with any chart paper. Here I am painting my chart paper with another dark color because I didn't like the light color. It's totally optional, how you like you could do it. Now cut out some clouds with white sheet and paste it with white glue. Now cut out heart shape from thick cardboard. And now I am pasting some stones for some decoration. It is also optional. Now cut out circle from cardboard and cover it with white sheet. Now cover circle with transparent sheet as shown. Now take jute ropes. I'm taking in 3 pairs, or you could use wool also. Make a knot on the top as shown. Now mark your points to punch hole. Now pass this jute rope through hole. Now make braid as shown. At the end, secure it with knot. Now stick moti as shown. It is also optional. If you want to stick, you can stick. Now take ribbon and fold the ends as shown. Now take the top part and stick it as shown. Just stick from the edges, not from the middle. Now stick the chart paper on the other side of the lid too. Now take any printed chart paper. Before sticking the printed paper, take thick piece of cardboard and cover it with colored sheet and take velcro and stick it as shown. Now take thin strips of colored paper and stick it on the edges as shown. Now take heart and circle and glue it with hot glue gun and paste some small clouds also. Now take LED lights and stick it as shown. Now for covering these wires, take cotton and spread it out and stick it onto the surface. Here it is completed. I hope you liked my video, and if do so, then don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fun videos.